Hey everyone, this is my AEP 855 Module 7. Hope you all enjoyed this class as much as I did. Human Resource Frame of Leadership with Ballman and Deal. They kind of talk about family within the organization. Each one of those individuals in the organization has needs. We must build relationships within the organization. And then it is open decision making among everyone within the organizations. Here's my hierarchical structure. Students are at the top. Obviously, students come first. They're the whole reason why we have a school. Then teachers. Teachers need to learn to guide those students. Principals. Principals need to guide both the teachers and the students. Then I have office staff. Office staff is probably the only person in the school that knows exactly what is going on at all times. Then you have the parents. If you don't have parents, then you don't have students. Then I have paras. Paras help out teachers, they can help out principals, they help out students. They're there to help out everyone. Custodians and maintenance, you have to have a clean school and a nice school if you want kids to continue to come. Next is the cooks. Cooks have to take care of all the meals. They come in early, cook breakfast for the students, and they also stay late cleaning up after lunch. Next is alumni and community. You have to include both in your school. Obviously, the community is the taxpayers, and you want your alumni to continue to support your school so that hopefully they will send their kids and bring their kids back to your school. And that is the end of my hierarchical structure. Thanks.